Hey there everyone, this is Chris from the Tech Basement in the driveway with the noisy dog. You'll be hearing them, I'm sure of it. Today though, what we're going to concentrate, instead of on the dog, we're going to concentrate on removing this back from the back of your tailgate so you can replace the switch that may be malfunctioning or is bad now. My switch is bad. Sometimes the wiring is the problem as well. But we won't be getting into the wiring. I'll show you how to pop this hatch when it is shut. So what you first want to do is crawl into the back of your vehicle, which we will do in a little bit. But you'll have this on your back of your hatch, like this. And how this is put together, just so that you know, because I haven't seen really anything on how it all works, is that this is a separate piece from this, and what you want to do is take the tabs here. They have a ridge on the face here that you want to be able to move this back from. So get underneath here, and let me show you real quick. Like, what you want to do is get underneath here and push these back as much as you can as you go down the line. And then on this one, on the last one, you want to be able to somehow pull this back. So you got to get in there and do that. Well, the thing with that is though, when you have this together, if I can get it together again, that'll be fun when we put it together, is that you have these as well. So get those loose down at the bottom like I was just showing you, and then take these little clips. You're gonna have to push it straight out to get those out, and then once you free these clips up, you should be able to release the rest of this and it'll come off. This will stay on the back of your hatch, and that's about the gist of it. So let's go into the back and I'll show you what you have to do in order to pop that hatch to get this off. Now that we're in the back here, there's a great little connector right there that you can see. What we're going to do is take this metal piece, just stick it in there, going to complete the circuit, maybe like that, and then you got it open. Now that we're back at the hatch with it open, like I said before, you just stick some metal in here that will complete a circuit, and it will open it up just like that. Right here leads to the handle that we will be removing. So you want to remove this screw, this screw, this screw, and this screw. Right here are the screws that the T25 will unscrew so that you can take off that bottom plastic cover. Okay, we're going to remove the handle now. What you need is also a 10mm socket. Okay, we're back now with the new piece that we're going to put on. We have cleaned this up here. It was rather dirty. I recommend doing that before putting it on the nice new piece that you have. The rubber will definitely seal it a lot better now. So let's put this back up in here. There you have it, everyone. That's the replacement of the switch on the hatchback of your C30. Mine is a 2010, and when you go to ask for a part of it, they're going to need to know exactly what your year is. Mine asked for the VIN number, so have that handy when you go to your dealership if you're going to get this piece. This piece was about $80 to $90, right in between there, which isn't bad, seeing the dealership wanted, I believe, $250 to $300 just to replace all this, and did what I did. So, if you guys want to see more videos like this on the C30 and how-tos, please let me know in the comments below. Also check out my tech videos. I'll throw a couple down in here to give you an idea what I do. I stream, I do reviews on different hardware, things like that. So with all that being said, hit that subscribe button that will be down in this corner, and hit the notification button after you subscribe. With all that being said, Chris is saying out.